In this lesson, we're learning how to play the Married Life theme from the Pixar movie Up. It's a really fun song. And again, we're using this really great channel called Clarified. It's a really fantastic channel. They have a ton of songs for you to practice with backing tracks. Please go visit their channel and subscribe. So the first thing we did in this lesson is I played for you the theme at the full speed version, the full tempo. Now, if that's a little bit too fast for you, what we have coming up next is a slower tempo practice version. And you're also going to see from the Clarified channel this really cool scrolling fingering chart that goes by and shows you where your fingers press down to play each note. You can practice using this slower tempo right now. Thanks for practicing along with my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go and subscribe to the Clarified channel. And of course, please like this video and subscribe to the Dr. Selfridge Music channel. We have lots more content for you to practice and have fun playing your clarinet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now go practice.